Now this special video is for clarifying doubts about our earlier Math Challenge 555. In Math Challenge 555, we had a rectangle with two semicircles and we were asked to find the horizontal width or the length of the rectangle. The diameter of the first semicircle was x and the diameter of the second semicircle was y. Of course, in Math Challenge 555, the actual diameters were given, but here we are showing it as x and y. So, there were questions, why is it not x plus y? In that case, it was 4 and 6. So, questions were raised, why it is not 10? If it is 4 and it is 6, the total should be 10. Why is it not 10? Why is it less than 10? Or in this case, why is it less than x plus y? X, the diameter of the first semicircle, y, diameter of the second semicircle, but the total horizontal measurement of this rectangle is not x plus y, it is less than x plus y. So we are clarifying why it is less than x plus y. Y is a horizontal width of this rectangle, or you call it the length of this rectangle. Why is it less than x plus y? So let us see why is it less than x plus y. Now from the extremities of the diameters, we draw lines. Now for convenience, the first semicircle is red in color, the second semicircle is blue in color, and we have drawn horizontal lines from the extremities of the diameters. So from the extremities of the first diameter, we are drawing red lines, red dotted lines, and from the extremities of the second semicircle, we are drawing blue dotted lines, right? And see that the first line, red line, and the last blue line, they coincide with the edges of the rectangle. The left edge and the right edge of the rectangle, this red line and this blue line will coincide. So the distance between the first red line and the last blue line is the width of the rectangle or the horizontal dimension of the rectangle. So what we are doing, from the extremities of the diameter, we are drawing two lines. First semicircle red in color, so two dotted lines red in color, and the second semicircle blue in color, so two dotted lines blue in color. So the distance between the red lines is equal to the diameter of the first semicircle, and the distance between the blue lines is equal to the diameter of the second semicircle. Now let's see. So distance between the red dotted line is equal to x. You can see that the diameter and this line, the blinking, two horizontal red lines, horizontal, not vertical, the horizontal blinking red lines, see that the red dotted line is equal to the diameter, that is x. Similarly, the distance between the two blue dotted lines is equal to the diameter of the second semicircle. See the two blue dotted lines blinking, the two horizontal blue dotted lines blinking. So this blue line is equal to the diameter of the second semicircle, and this red line is equal to the diameter of the first semicircle. So distance between the two red lines is x, and the distance between the two blue lines is y. Now see this blinking overlapping region. There is an overlapping region, right? The distance between the two red lines x and the distance between the two blue lines y, but there is an overlapping region. You can see the blinking arrow. Because of the overlapping region, the total distance is less than x plus y. It is because of this overlapping region. Because of this overlapping region, the total distance is less than x plus y. If this overlapping region is z, then the actual distance would be x plus y minus z. X plus y minus z minus this overlapping region. And that is the reason why the actual horizontal dimension of the rectangle is less than x plus y. So that was a clarification, and we are really grateful. We thank those who raised this question, because whenever you have any doubts, you should ping us back, you should inform us, and we will clarify. Or, of course, we are human beings, we can make mistakes, although all our videos are vetted by experts. When we make the videos, they are sent to a team of experts, but still there could be mistakes. So if there are mistakes, we could rectify, but in this case, it was a simple clarification. So whenever you have doubts, you can always contact us, and we will be very happy to provide the necessary clarification. As you know, we are open to students from all over the world, and our services are entirely free of charge. So, student from any part of the globe can contact us with any problem, and we are there always absolutely free of charge to give you the necessary service, to give you the online session, or to make a recorded video lecture clarifying your doubts or clarifying your problems. So, hope this clarifies your doubt as to why the horizontal dimension of the rectangle is less than x plus y. So, we will meet again, and keep contacting us whenever you have any specific question. Any specific question, you can always contact us. So, till then, thank you and goodbye.